Can you drink of water? Wow, finish na po si Sophia. Very good about water. Ate Aki, hurry up. So you can finish your food. Ay, carrots only yung one.
Masarap. Kainin mo. Malambot naman eh.
Pero sa spaghetti, yung luto ko ng isang araw, masarap pa siya.
Masarap, diba?
Tatlo bang ini.
Tama nga si, Dalen, nakadalawa.
Yummy. Hey, say, Yummy, Lola, cook pansit. Wala. Ano, busog na?
Busog na yung water.
Is it yummy? I have a question for you. Is the pancit yummy? Dalen, answer me. Is the pancit yummy? Is it Yummy? Yummy pancit. Oh, you say happy birthday, Toto Ian. Niligrit mo yun, no? Ayun si Toto Ian upstairs, oh. Katabi ni Toto Mato. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Be, sinisimot niya po, mga kaibigan ng pancit. Okay, very good na po si Dalen. Magaling po magsimot ng pancit. Simutin mo, Dali. Ate Aki, I'm the winner. I win. Some more water, please. Last one. Last one. Dalen. Last one for Dalen. Because it's yummy. Say, because it's yummy. Buti nga, marunong nga sa pancit eh. Spaghetti, ayaw niya pa. Come on. Use your hand na lang na para hindi ma-fall. Sarap ta mo. Yummy. This pancit is so yummy. Sabi mo, Yummy pancit. So yummy. Sarap. Okay. Finish the food na, baby. Ate didn't win. Sophia wins. Because Sophia finished the pancit. Fit ate. Oh, finish your food daw. Finish your food, ate.
I'll get you water.
Mine finish. Oh, dali. Finish. Oh, dali. Oh, paunahan. Paunahan. Who will finish is the winner. Dali, come on. Hurry up. Come on, ate.
Ate.
Say, I'm the winner. Sabi mo, I'm the winner.
Water.
I win ka mo.